Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable clean URLs in Yii2 basic template. Clean URLs are readable URLs for websites and web services that represent the underlying source. So instead of having something like index, this part here, index.php question mark r equals to this, we can simply have a much clean URL by saying site about. And for now, when you navigate to that file, to that link, you redirected to the home page. We can have the same for the contact page and also for login. Now, for us to be able to do this, we will work with two aspects. The first one is the .ht access file, and what the .ht access file does, it enables us to to override some of the Apache server configuration. And another thing that we will need to work with is the Yii2 URL manager. And a URL manager, as when you take a look at the configurations in config web.php file, you realize that it's commented out for now, but it's part of the project components. So first, ensure that you have the .ht access and copy these contents. And what this means is that turn on the rewrite engine. And for our rewrite conditions, we are just saying if a directory or file exists, use it directly. Otherwise, forward everything our entry script. And entry script for our case, the index.php. Good. So with this, we will now be able to enable our URL manager component. Once we enable it, save, and navigate back to our project, I'll just do a simple refresh back to home. So you should be able to see that we now have a much clean URL like site/index. About will be site/about. Then for the login and contact page. So we might go further with this, and for example, I'll customize the contact page by having something like contactors. Yeah, like contactors. That's much cleaner URL. So for now, you realize we get a 404 error, which means the page was not found. So let's see how to configure that. So I'm here in the configuration file, that is config, then web.php. Under the rules array, the rules array will enable us to customize our URL, and its format is pretty simple, and that is pattern mapped to the route. So this is the pattern that will be accessed by the user, and this route will be executed in the background. So we will have something, okay, something like contactors, and the route that will be executed is site/contact. So once I refresh this page, we should be able to see the contact page. Yep, there we go. So that's pretty much for now. And in case you have any questions or any comments, leave below in the comments. And you can support me by subscribing to the channel and also sharing this video to someone it might help. See you in the next video.